student, today we will discuss about deleting text and moving text in Word, and next topic is copy text. Okay, how we can copy the text in our system. You can see that. So take out page number 55, because firstly we will discuss about deleting text, means how we can delete a character, word, sentence, paragraph or the whole document in Word. Okay, and to delete it, firstly we have to press the delete key or backspace. Here you can see that in computer the backspace or the delete buttons is also given here. As you can see, the delete and backspace option. Backspace will deleted one by one text. I can show you that. Here you can see that just one by one. Okay, but the delete option will delete the whole document. Firstly you have to select the document which you want to delete. Here I will select the document and then I will press the delete key, and you can see that the whole text which is selected by me will be deleted. Okay, shortcut to move cursor using, and this is the shortcut how we can delete our document. Okay, and also I can show you now moving text, how we can move the text. Okay, the text can be moved from one location in a document to another using cut and paste commands. Okay, by using the cut and paste command we can move the text from one location to another location in document. Okay, I show you. So for it, firstly we have to select the text. From here I will select the text. Okay, and what is the process of select the whole text? Ctrl+A, and if you want to select the text from the last, you can just select it. Okay, and then in home tab you can see that the cut option is given here. Okay, we will cut it, and in another section on the another page, here I am pasting my document. You can see that. For it we have to click the right click on the mouse, right click, and here you can see that the paste option is appear here. Just you can select the paste. Okay, and our text will pasted here. Okay, so this is the correct format how we can cut and paste our document. Okay, now next is how we can copy the document or text. Copy command creates a duplicate of the selected text. Okay, ये डुप्लीकेट के जैसा काम करता है, मतलब कॉपी करना मीन्स कार्बन कॉपी टाइप्स, इट जस्ट लाइक अ कार्बन कॉपी. ओके, पेस्ट कमांड पेस्ट द selected text in another location of the document. Okay, so here firstly we will select the text. As I can show you, firstly I will select the text and then move it in the next line, and I will select it, and then here you can see that the copy option, after cut copy option is given here. I will select the copy option and place the cursor here, and then right paste option, I will select the paste option. So you can see that the same line is pasted here from here to here. Okay, you can change the place of your text by copy and paste the option. And if you want to change the whole data, or do you want to just your data is only placed here, then you can cut and paste your text. मतलब आप सिर्फ चाहते हो कि आपका डाटा यहाँ नहीं बल्कि सिर्फ यहाँ हो, तो आपको सिर्फ क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको सिलेक्ट करो, देन कट ऑप्शन को सिलेक्ट करो, एंड उसके बाद यहाँ पे कर्सर को लाके राइट क्लिक करके इसको पेस्ट कर दो. ओके, एंड आप चाहते हो कि नहीं ये यहाँ भी हो, इस पेज में भी हो, तो इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले इसको सिलेक्ट करेंगे, देन वी विल कॉपी करेंगे, एंड देन जहाँ पे हम लोगों को अपने डाटा को फीड करना है वहाँ ले जाएंगे कर्सर को और पेस्ट कर देंगे, तो उसके बाद हम लोगों का डाटा वहाँ भी आ जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज द करेक्ट फॉर्मेट. सो ऑन नेक्स्ट डे we will discuss about undo and redo option. Okay, undo and redo option and formatting text. But here I can show you what is undo and redo option. Here you can see that the arrow which is in anti-clock and another is clockwise. Okay, this is called undo and this is called redo. Okay, this is undo and this is redo. If you click the undo, your document will changed. Okay, or you can click the redo, your document will like this type. undo means क्या होता है, ये एक स्टेप पीछे जाता है, इट विल टेक द वन स्टेप रिवर्स. ओके, एंड ये क्या करता है, हम लोगों को एक स्टेप आगे लेकर जाता है. ओके, जहां तक काम किया वहां तक हम लोगों को ले जाएगा. रीडो, अंडो में एक स्टेप पीछे, वन स्टेप बैक ले जाता है. इट विल टेक अप द लास्ट एक्शन. ओके, एंड रीडो विल यूज टू द लास्ट एक्शन ऑन द लास्ट सीरीज. जहां हम लोग लास्ट काम किए वहां लाके छोड़ता है, और ये लास्ट टाइम क्या एक्शन हुआ है, रीडो वहां पर, अंडो वहां पर जाता है. सो फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट इज योर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विच वी विल डिस्कस इन yesterday's class.